how to apply TFN in Australia. So if you want to apply TFN, which is tax file number in Australia, then this video is for you. So let's start the video. If you're going to work in Australia, you need a tax file number for that. It's a 6-digit number issued by Australian Taxation Office. And it's essential for anyone who is earning money in Australia. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then search for ato.gov.au. And here's the official website. Now click on the individual and family section, which is on the top. And then you'll find an option of tax file number. You need to just click on it. Once you click on it, you will get all of these options. You need to go with apply for a TFN. Now here, you'll see application categories. It depends on your resident status. If you are an student, visitor, you can choose the option. Or if you're a foreign passport holder or permanent migrants and temporary visitors, you can also choose the other options if this does not suit you. So let's say I'll go with the option of permanent migrants and temporary visitors. So here you'll see who can apply. So you need to read this carefully. It says that you need to meet these following 3 conditions, which is you are permanent migrant or temporary visitor, or you are located in Australia and your visa is one of the following, which is a permanent resident visa, a visa with working rights, an overseas student visa, a visa allowing you to stay in Australia indefinitely. So if you want to apply, you need to click on apply online for a TFN using the IAR. So click on apply. Now from here, you can access the form, but from the form, please read the instructions carefully. Before you start, you need to read all of these instructions carefully and then go with start, which is on the right side. Now you need to enter all of the information. Like the first one is the identification. You need to enter your passport or travel document number, the passport or travel document country of origin. You can go with the drop down, which will be in the right side, and then you can select your country. And after that, you need to check if you have ever visited Australia before. And if you scroll down, you need to enter some personal details, like you need to enter your title, your family name, your first given name, and other given names if you have any. And if you have been known by any other names, you need to click on yes or no, and then you need to enter your date of birth, your gender. If you have a spouse, you need to click on it and then go with next, which is on the right side. So the first process will be the identification. Once you're done with the identification, you will have your tax file number, and then you need to enter your address and then your contact information. And at last, you'll have your summary. So just follow the process and make sure that you have entered the correct information and make sure that you've read each and every step before clicking the next button. So in this way, you'll be able to apply for TFN, which is tax file number in Australia. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.